lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Creations, and I hope you are all doing fine. As you can see in today's video, I will be making a massive tea light holder using EcoPore and mold, and EcoPore is from Just For You Online UK. Also, I had an idea to make kind of inlay, and I'll be making it out of soft modeling dough. So here is the lovely mold from Just For You Online UK, and as you see, it comes with a little LED tea light. So you can make this tea light holder out of resin or EcoPore or jasmomite, and you need to be worried that the actual candle can damage or get in danger your house. So I thought I will get creative with this one and use some alternative to actual ready silicone inlay that you can purchase or you can buy. And because I wanted this kind of odd shape inlay, druzy inlay, I decided to use a dough that you can model, and after even you can take it and reuse it for other projects. And I wanted a druzy inlay, so to achieve this kind of texture I thought to use some salt. I have some pink chunky salt, and I thought it will be perfect to put around this potty and just press it in and achieve the druzy kind of texture. But soon after I noticed that this technique isn't really working for me, and it will take me ages to actually complete this texture effect that I'm after. And the salt was going everywhere, so I just decided to take it out and kind of roll it in the salt itself and hope for the best. And so this is after that I was satisfied with my creation. I stick it back inside the mold and fingers crossed, was hoping for the best. So now I am mixing my EcoPore, and this mold takes quite a lot of material. Of course, I wasn't sure how much to mix, so I just kind of eyeballed it, and And also I wanted to have this tea light holder black, but I don't know if it's just me or it's natural like that you really can't get a pure black color. It just comes out as dark gray. And after further mixing, was time to pour. And here I noticed that of course I didn't mix enough material, so inside I was a bit panicking and I start to rush myself to mix some more of Ecopore. And of course, I didn't have enough black pigment. I ran out, so it came different shade, and still I didn't mix enough material, but oh well. So after that I just went in with my stick to try to kind of blend them together so it's not that visible difference between two colors. And it's easy peasy. Bit shake, 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 so the bubbles come to top and you have nice smooth surface, and leave it for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and that's it, ready for the mold. I was super excited and anxious at the same time because I didn't know what will happen with my inlay experiment. So here I bit Russell with the demold and molding. And here we have it. She is out. And look at this lovely shape, a little heart or a big heart. And yeah, while the Ecopore is straight after mold, it's quite still soft and easy to break. So it wasn't a big problem that I had a seepage underneath. I took it easy off, and now I'm scraping off the dough. So Ecopore and Gessomite straight after unmolding is still a bit warm, so the potty was really soft, and yeah, it take a lot of patience to remove it. So I just thought to do it off camera with patience and see how it turns out. And before I was doing that, I just gave some sandpaper on the back because the edges are sharp and it's best to remove them while the Ecopore is still quite fragile and soft, so it's much easier than after it cures properly after 24 hours. Just checking if I manage all the edges. So I will take this off camera and remove it slowly. And here it is. I have removed it completely. It took some time, but I did it. And now I will use a pen from Just For You Online UK. I chose champagne color, and I decided to give it a bit more accent around the edges and paint this druzy inlay hole as well, so it stands out. While I'll do that, I just wanna give a big shout out to Just For You Online UK lovely sisters. Some time ago they had a big giveaway organized, and I was one lucky one, run-up winner, and I received a massive box with their lovely products, including pigments and molds and these markers, a lot of stuff. I did a little unboxing video on Instagram, so if you would like to see what I got, then head and have a look. But yes, I was so impressed and happy. It was like a Christmas come early for me, and I can't wait to use all the products I have ton of ideas, not a lot time, but hopefully soon because it's summer nearly finished and my boy is gonna go back to school and nursery. So I'll have more time for my projects and yeah, exciting times ahead of me. So you can see I'm easy peasy marking the edge as well. And honestly, I'm looking at it and I'm liking a lot. I think it come out lovely. And still I can't believe that in about 1 week it's already September and summer is gone. But at least this year we had a good summer, a good 10 days of really nice weather. So living on the coast, it was great to go to the sea and just enjoy. But now we are back to rain and back to normal as the England is supposed to look like. Anyway, here is the finished result and I absolutely love it and I think my little experiment worked very well. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying bye bye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.